recording. Alright, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for watching. We're going to watch myself make a video. Here I am there talking with no sound. Because I forgot. I didn't add in OBS a microphone, an audio input to capture what I'm saying. So, in this video, I'm going to watch the video and make new audio. What I'm doing is I'm doing an FBA listing. And I'm currently on the catalog under inventory. If you click on the three lines in the top left right here, you go to catalog, you can add an inventory, your inventory. And right here where it says product name, UPC, EAN, ISBN, ASIN, you can type in whichever you have. So on most of these items I'll have the UPC. So I'll type that in, I'll find it on Amazon. And then the next step is to click on the listing, change or indicate what kind of condition it is in. For this one specifically, West Wing on DVD. Third season. The rank is 7,300, which is nice. Condition is new, and you click sell this product. Next, you want to click on item condition, match the lowest price if you want. As you can see, Prime shipping has $32.95, but there are 8 sellers selling it for $29.95. So you can either match the lowest price or you can match the Prime listing $32.95. I chose to match the lowest price, and then I put my seller SKU in here. So I use the first letter of each of the titles, so TWW and season 3, and then I list what it is, followed by a dash with how much I paid for it, dash how much it is listed for, dash where I bought it from. VV stands for Value Village. And then I scroll down and I hit list this as, or save and continue, I think. And then I think I can hit list as FBA and it'll just go into my inventory. But I just close out of this page. So I'm not sure which one to do. I'm looking a little confused on the video that I'm watching myself do with no audio. And I'm going to move on to the next one. I do have 28 SKUs to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fast forward the video here. And here we are. Fast forwarding, still listing. Okay, still listing. I'm going to get to the point where we are working on the shipment. Okay, let's go back. I'm going to start here. Okay, let's go back a little bit more. Okay, here we are. This should be, now I'm in my inventory, so you click on the three things, you go to manage all inventory. This is me just repricing a little bit. I'm going to skip ahead. There we go. Right about here. So I'm going to go to all inventory here in a second. On the top left, click on all. As I rub my face and my eyes, it is the morning. And again, I have apologized in the video a couple times for not having a video uploaded in a while. So here we are, manage inventory, click on all, and you'll see all the listings that I just added. I have 2 in there that were already on, so I'm just going to go click those first. And then I know right above my last active listing is where the new stuff that I added today starts. So I'm going to go ahead and click on all the boxes there, and you'll see the action on selected increase by 1 each time until we hit 28. Couple more here. Scandal, one more, Gotham. There we go. Action on 28 selected is where we're going to click next. It's right here. And what we're going to click, we're going to click on Send and Replenish. As soon as I'm finished doing what I'm counting how many items I have to make sure it matches 28. It does. So in a second here, you'll see me click on this button here. There we are. Now I'm telling you, I'm clicking on it. Go ahead and click on it. There we are. Send and replenish. Yes, and continue to the next screen. And it's going to load. Okay. And this is your shipment page. What you have to do is you have to set a prep category. Because these are all DVDs, video games, and such, there's no prep needed. They go to Amazon as is. And I know I don't have any duplicates, so my units for everything is just going to be 1. So I indicate 1 on each of them. And then I click on Ready to Pack, and I do it on the next page. And I'll get that continued in a second. See if I can fast forward it slightly for you. Okay, that's the next page. No need to fast forward this part. Ready to pack, ready to pack. Okay, 28 items, SKUs, ready to pack. So now you have to print the labels. So in a second, I will click right here on Print All SKU Labels, 28 units. There we have it. Print all. I will open. It's taking a second. There we go. I got a print. I'm going to fast forward slightly. I left it on here. Here I am labeling everything, as you can see behind me. And 28 labels done. Next, you need to pack the individual units. And I'm going to run and get a box in the video. I'll show you here. I'm leaving to get a box. And I will fast forward to when I come back with a box. And the first box I grabbed was too small. So let's fast forward to the second box. Okay, here I have just trying to see if I have the appropriate box. I think I do. Let's show you that I have the box. Okay. Getting comfortable. Everything will fit into one box. And now I'm in Canada, so I have to convert my measurements here. So this is what I'm doing. Converting my pounds into kilograms and my inches into centimeters. Okay. So let's go back 1 second here. Here we go. Inches into centimeters, as I said. Anytime now. I think I'm measuring 32 by 32 by 20, I believe the box was. I always round up, never round down. You get dinged for more shipping costs. One more measurement, I think it was 7.5 inches, which is approximately 20 centimeters. Just over 19, so again, round up. Box weight was 5 kilograms, just over 10 pounds. And you click on confirm. And it's going to come up with how much it's going to cost to ship. Amazon uses UPS. They have a partnership. I'm going to ship this out this afternoon. And it's going to Brampton, and it cost me $8.28. So if I'm okay with that, I click on confirm and print the shipping label. and it will be ready to go in a moment. So the video itself, the shipping, I'm going to create my label here. So the video that I am recording over to give you audio took me about an hour and a half, talking through it step by step. And this video that I'm recording over top is now just over a 10-minute video. So I'm going to use this recording over top to showcase the hour and a half video that I thought I was making, but didn't have an audio input capture device on my OBS. So sorry for that. Hopefully this is a better condensed version of what I was doing. And time to edit this video. Thanks for watching. Oh yes, take this time to subscribe, like the video, don't like the video, give me some feedback, comment below if you've been watching. Again, I apologize that I haven't had a video in about a month. Life's been busy. We sold our rental house. We are currently applying for jobs in Southern Ontario. We live in Northern Ontario currently, as you can see from my address, but hopefully I'll blur that out. And yes, thanks for watching. I appreciate it.